So this machine is the cable curl machine. You can do single hand, double arms. So I'm just gonna show you how to do both variations. And then based on what you're programmed for, you can kind of just follow those tutorials. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna get into a position where your shoulders are locked in and then your arms are fully stretched. And then you wanna simply lean back and then curl. And you wanna go the whole range of motion. A lot of people do these short range of motions. You're not doing anything. You wanna get a full stretch and then all the way up, all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. All right? So that's how you would do it with 2 arms. And now I'm gonna show you how to do a single arm bicep curl with the bicep curl machine. All right? So a lot of times I actually prefer to stand up in this position, curl as far as I can, control it on the way down, curl all the way up, all the way down. And as you can see, my hand opens on the way up. And what that does is it takes the tension out of my forearms. Because sometimes when we're doing the bicep curl type of movements, we contract so much with our forearms that we take some of the tension off of our bicep. All right, try that out and build some guns.